Hey team, happy Easter long weekend. I hope you've had an incredible celebration of the truth that Christ has risen. Recently on a weekend, I actually got conned by one of my boys into watching a movie called June. And I don't know if you've seen it or read the book or know its story. It was a new adventure for me to get sucked into. But there was one quote in particular that really stood out to me, and I want to read it to you. It's when Paul Atreides' father is talking to him, encouraging him to step into his own as the emerging leader of their kingdom and dynasty. And he says to his son, "A great man doesn't seek to lead, he's called to it." And he answers, "And if your answer is no, you'll still be the only thing I needed you to be, my son. I found my own way to it. Maybe you'll find yours." Such an incredible and powerful statement of a father to a son, encouraging him to step into his predetermined role, his destiny, his opportunity to live a life of impact and purpose within his kingdom. And his son was reluctant, his son was fearful, and his father just relaxed him in the moment, saying, "Great men don't seek leadership, they're called to it, and we all get to answer that call." And this is true today. Without drawing more than we ought from this metaphor, I just want to encourage you, don't force leadership. Nobody has to have it imposed on them. Leadership is something that will emerge in your rhythms of passion and purpose as you seek to have impact in the world around you. You will determine through that passion the areas of greatest concern and influence. And I don't think you need to be under any pressure, under any sense of great condemnation or urgency that you have to lead in every area of your life. Some of the greatest leaders are also very devout followers in different areas, because leadership isn't for everybody in everything, whilst I do believe we should all lead in some things. And so I just want to leave that quote of Paul Atreides' father with you, that great people don't seek to lead, they are called to it, and we all get to answer that calling. And I hope you think deeply about where you're going to answer yes. What areas will you lead in? That's my 2-minute conviction. I hope it's encouraging. Have a great week.